Hey guys, how you doing? I bought myself a present, so this is going to be for the more of the summery, spring type months. So let's get into it real quick. I'm going to use my Gerber multi-tool, which, by the way, thank you VCG for helping with that, because I got this with the gift card that I won from you guys. So let's see what we got here. All right. We have a case for something. Let's see what this case, let's move this off to the side. Let's see what this case looks like. It's just a basic case with foam inserts that you can put in and take out. Nothing special. Just something to help keep something protected. We'll set that down over there. And here's the other thing. I finally broke down and bought myself a halfway decent thermometer for like in the smoker and for on the grill and really just about anything. It has little hangers on this so you can check the temperature in your oven or your grill or wherever. So let's take this out and take a look at it. Alright, let's see what it comes with. If you need help, call these people. It's a little warranty card. It's a 3-year extended warranty type program thing I can call them about so that they can sell me something that I could probably replace it for the same price. You know, like everything else, you get your book of instructions. Tells you how to use it, the different temperatures, settings. So we'll put that right back in there. We don't use those, do we? Come on. And here's the probes. They're nice and sharp. That's a plus. They come with these nice little silicone tips. So that'll be good. They're not overly sharp. This particular model, I believe, goes up to 675 degrees. So let's take one of the units out and see what we have. I'm guessing they probably didn't put batteries in it for me. No. So we have that one. Oh, they did give me batteries though. So, alright, guess I gotta get my multi-tool out again. Nope, don't need the saw blade. Or a file. Two batteries. Must be that good Chinese plastic they have over there. Probably has a little bit of lead in it. As you can see, I'm not going to use these batteries because I don't know if you can see it, but they're flat. So, yeah. And that didn't come from my handling because you can see I can't crush these batteries. So, let me go get new batteries or good ones. Throw them in the box, and I'll be right back. Alright, welcome back, guys. I didn't want to bore you with putting batteries in. I mean, batteries are pretty self-explanatory. So, you have your on and your off. You get temperature readings. This is just a little remote mode thingy. So the thing that's cool about this, if I can do it, you have that little metal flap there that you can, see if I can do it, you can put the battery back in, and then this will also stand up, as does this. So, and not only would that stand up, but if you close it, a belt clip. That's what I was looking for. So I'll come over here. You know, you can go into all the different modes. You can turn it on and off. You can change it from putting the light on, shutting the light off. You can program it. You can select what kind of meat you want. So, I mean, it has basically everything you would need. Like this one is for the oven. You can check the temperature of your oven with it, which is a good thing. And let's say you pick beef. You can see how the different temperatures change down at the bottom. That gives you your rare, medium rare. So it's that little taste button. So you can change it for, you know, medium rare, medium. I forgot what the other ones are, but then you have well done. Anything above medium rare for beef, I really don't know. And chicken and pork, it's either done or not done. So, so we'll shut that off so we don't waste the battery. And like I said, the leads, they're just real easy. It has a little hole right there in the side. You just plug it in, and there you go. And then it'll, like right now, it's saying 68 degrees. So it's 68 degrees in my house right now. So it reads the temperature pretty fast. So I can't wait to start using it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put a link down below on what it is and what model number it is. And hope you guys enjoyed. Can't wait to actually use it and show you guys how it works. And also eat some food that I make with it. So have a nice day, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. If you need anything, you can check me out on my Instagram, or you can leave me a comment below. So hope you guys have a nice day.